Today I'm going to show you how to make your dead lighter useful. So here it is. This lighter was already out of gas. So I decided to make it one which can be useful. As the spark was still working fine, so I decided that the flint is okay. So let's convert this dead lighter into a lighter fuel lighter. Let's begin. To convert this lighter, I just remove all the unnecessary parts. As you guys can see, you can unscrew this part, and inside you can see there is a copper tube, and at the end of the copper tube you can see some sort of fibers. Basically these are tissue paper. So what I did here is I just take a small piece of tissue paper and just start twisting it. Okay, this is replaceable. You can use thread that has microfibers. It will light perfectly fine. It will work as it is required. So this is it. Let me show you how it is, how I just made it. This tube is basically a antenna tube which I broke off from here. I broke the piece of antenna tube and fix it here. You have to be careful that the tube should easily enter through this channel, through this hole. If it is not entering here easily, it will be a problem. So I fill this entire with injected the charcoal lighter fuel, and I just install this tube. So whenever you want to light something, for example the cigarette or charcoal, it's now easy. Let me demonstrate in front of you that how it works. So at the end I just use a normal screw, which is here, you can see. The screw is going through this plastic and entering into the tube to hold it properly on place. So let me demonstrate the lighter. Okay, always safety comes first. Keep fire stop extinguisher and keep all the highly flammable items away. So let's begin the test and see how it performs. You have to unscrew whenever you want to light up something. Unscrew this part. Okay, one more thing I forgot to tell you. I just reversed this flint sparking system, because it is supposed to spark this way, but now it is not sparking this way. Just sparking this way, reverse, in order to make it a little bit safe, because this part is open now and the flammable gas is there. So after soaking it into the gas, what we have to do, we have to just make fluffing required. As you guys can see, it starts. It's possible you can start fire with the charcoal fluid and dead lighter sparks. Also you can convert your lighter to store some lighter fluid into your pocket and some threads, so in case of any emergency you can start fire. Just like this, you can store it in your pocket. It is leak proof, so there will be no leaks I'm sure, and it will be safe inside your pocket. So thanks for watching, and this is just a simple experiment. You guys can have one of these in your pocket and it will help you a lot in a survival situation. So thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.